Today, we'll explore 5 strategic strategies that you can utilize to win back lapsed purchasers on your Shopify store. We're going to increase engagement, increase conversion rates, and increase your bottom line overall. Let's jump into it. What a lot of brands fail to remember is it's a lot more efficient and cheaper to actually retain your existing customer base than to go after new customers. So today we're going to focus on 5 strategies that can help you to win back some of your existing customers that haven't purchased from you in quite some time. The first strategy is simply going to be to utilize email marketing to its fullest. For example, let's say the typical period between purchases for most customers on your store is 30 days. We can create an automation on platforms like Seguno where we send out an email to any customer who hasn't made a purchase in 60 or 90 days. Now with this automation, we're not going to just send one email, we're going to send multiple in hopes that they'll convert at that 30-day period once again. So we're going to want to send out 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 emails to increase the likelihood that they get back on that 30-day reorder period. The key here is personalization. We don't want to just send a generic lapse purchase email. We really want to focus down on exactly what that customer is interested in and try to showcase to them why they should come back. So this email can include personalization such as their first name in the subject line, or showcasing just the product that they purchased, or the product that they purchased the last time they purchased from you. Moreover, we're going to want to create a specific coupon code just for them to encourage them to come back and purchase more. These emails should feel more like a tailored invitation than actually just a generic email that everyone receives. The second strategy is with SMS marketing. And again, we want to be sure that we utilize platforms like Postscript so that we can create an automation so that this is a set and forget program. But remember, it's important that we still tailor this to the specific customer based on what they need, what they like, and a specific discount offer just for them. We really want to focus on the fact that this is a tailored message just for them and not a generic SMS message. My professional tip with SMS marketing is try to include some type of urgency in the message. So include their first name in the message, include the product that they most recently purchased, but then also include some type of urgency, increasing the likelihood that they'll convert. So I might send a message that says, "Hey Josh, we noticed you haven't purchased in a while. Here's your favorite product. It's 20% off today only." So now we have personalization with not only my first name in there, but also the product that I purchased, a coupon code directly for me, but also that limited time offer, increasing the chances that they'll convert today. The third strategy to win back lapsed purchasers is with a loyalty program. There are countless apps like Smile.io or Loyalty Lion that can help you to create quickly and easily a loyalty program on your Shopify store. Loyalty programs are a great way to incentivize and gamify shopping on your Shopify store. Loyalty programs provide a great opportunity for you to win back these lapsed purchasers by showcasing to them exactly the amount of points they've accumulated from previous purchases. Now you can have an opportunity to not only notify them that they have an offer through these points, but to potentially even offer them doubling or tripling their points, encouraging them to keep coming back and shopping on your Shopify store. The fourth strategy to win back lapsed purchasers is a strong retargeting program on social. I always recommend that clients export lists of their customers that haven't purchased within a certain period of time and upload these to their preferred social advertising platform to re-engage them. It's important to remember that not all of your customers are going to be subscribed to your email or SMS. By utilizing social media advertising, you can now re-engage these customers that may have not seen your recent emails or SMS to come back and purchase more. I always include offers in these social advertising strategies because whenever you're spending money, you want to definitely provide an offer to increase that click-through rate and increase that conversion rate overall. If you're spending money, you want to definitely lead with your best and try to engage them as easily and quickly as possible. Our fifth and final strategy for winning back lapsed purchasers is outstanding customer service. I always recommend to clients that they build a list of customers that haven't purchased in 60, 90, 180 days, and they actually send a personal email through their customer service team to re-engage these customers and try to find their pain points as to why they haven't purchased from you in the past 60, 90, 180 days. Now, this may seem like a lot of work up front, but I guarantee you this is going to be one of the best ways to not only gain information as to why you're losing customers, but also to understand more of what customers are looking for to re-engage and to repurchase. If you're a brand that goes the extra mile and actually takes this step, it's going to make a huge difference to all your customers and hopefully increase engagement rate, increase repurchase rate, and increase your bottom line overall. Rescuing lapsed purchasers is more than just gaining immediate sales. It's about reinforcing that relationship with the brand and providing top-notch customer service so that customers will continue to come back for more. So we want to be sure to be using email through automations. We want to use SMS through automations and create highly personalized messages to all our lapsed purchasers. We want to try to utilize loyalty programs to ensure that our customers keep coming back for more and use those points to increase the likelihood of conversion. We want to be sure to use social advertising to re-engage any of those users that may not be subscribed to our email or SMS. And lastly, we want to provide top-notch customer service so that customers know we care and we're not just looking at our bottom line. So go and use these 5 strategies. Try to win back some of those lapsed purchasers, build that brand relationship, and grow your sales overall. I'll see you in the next one.